Okay, so in case you didn't know, you can actually replace the ear pads on your headphones and save your headphones. I have these JBL Tune 600 BT and C or something along those lines. I was going to just throw them away, but I like these headphones. I've had them a long time and they're good. They have good quality. They've lasted a while, so I didn't want to necessarily throw them away. So I looked online and apparently you can just replace these. Look at this, like that. Ta-da! It'll be the brand new ear pad. Looks the same. Everything. These ones are from SoloWIT, I believe the company is. These are much easier. I got another pair. They're a little bit cheaper, but they were just like sticky, I think, and they were just gonna try to stick on there. And I was like, well, that's not what I want. I don't want something adhesive. I want something that actually pops on, like the actual quality of the original. So I got these. So I'm gonna try to replace them really quickly, really easily. It's super, super simple. Takes absolutely no time at all, but we'll show you how to do it, right? So, as you can see here, we're gonna have the place just like that. R there, yada yada, boom, perfect. They give you this handy dandy little plastic tool here. Comes with most kits these days, and you're just gonna go under here like this and start prying it off. So there we go. I think, yeah. Okay. Little piece there. Boom, like that. You heard that pop there. Oops, like this. Kind of go around. Boom, another pop there. Apparently I turned them on, that's all right. One more here. Like that, oh, just like that, it came right off. So as you can see, it looks like this, looks like this. Very similar. This one's actually a little bit thicker than this one is. So you have a little bit more foam in there, that's nice. Now we're just gonna pop this right back on the way it came off. So I noticed the R was facing that thing like that. Should be able to just pop this right back on, I'm assuming. Hopefully. Yep. Wow, just like that. Just like that, done. So I'll do the exact same thing for the left one. SoloWIT headphone replacements, padding. I think you can also get the upper top, this piece right here too, that I've started to wear that off. This piece I think is just like stuck on there too. You can get the piece for this. I don't really care about that. I just care about this piece. But yeah, do the left one now. May as well keep them the same. And that's it. Super easy.